Air combat tactics taught to Ukrainian pilots during F-16 training abroad did not fully match the realities of the war against Russia, forcing pilots to develop their own methods near the front line, a Ukrainian pilot said. Speaking in a video released by the Ukrainian Air Force, the pilot said the training was based on conflicts fought by Ukraine's partners in the past and did not account for the intensity and conditions of the current war. After we returned home, we faced reality, he said. The tactics we were taught were not entirely suitable for the war we are fighting. This war is fundamentally different. According to the pilot, most of the first F-16 crews were experienced aviators, but they still had to rethink how to use the aircraft. This included developing new ways to intercept Russian cruise missiles and attack drones, and to operate close to the line of contact. He said the front line is heavily saturated with Russian air defense systems and aircraft. The biggest threats come from Russian fighters such as the Su-35, Su-57, and MiG-31. Almost every mission near the front involves Russian missile launches at Ukrainian aircraft, mostly air-to-air missiles. Because Russian aircraft can patrol at high altitudes while waiting to attack, Ukrainian pilots are often forced to fly lower to reduce the risk from surface-to-air missile systems, he said. In some missions, F-16 pilots providing air cover for strike aircraft deliberately expose themselves to lure Russian fighters into firing their missiles. This allows strike aircraft carrying precision-guided bombs to hit their targets. In one such operation, the pilot said a 3-aircraft formation forced Russian jets to launch missiles from different directions, allowing a Ukrainian strike aircraft to destroy its target and the entire group to return safely to base. As of November 2025, Ukrainian F-16s have intercepted more than 1,300 Russian missiles and drones, according to the Air Force. In one confirmed case, a Ukrainian F-16 shot down 6 Russian cruise missiles during a single combat mission, 2 of them using its onboard cannon.